chasing 9 to 5, white picket life, trying to make my parents proud. I used to cut my hair and change what I'd wear to be the kind of guy a girl would write home about. I've been a people pleaser, never putting me first, but the older that I'm getting, I finally know who I'm trying to impress. Cause if I could talk to a younger me, I'd wanna be the man that he wants to be. I'd wanna tell him that he got more than everything he prayed for. And if I walked with the man that I'll become, I'd want him to be proud of all we've done. There's only two opinions that matter most to me, and that's to me, it's 7 and 70. I wanna see his innocent eyes, see our name up the lights, and tell him one day you're gonna do this. And I want the me that's great to just laugh and say, boy, you ain't even seen half of it. I wanna see their smiles when I tell them all about my life. Cause if I could talk to a younger me, I'd wanna be the man that he wants to be. I'd wanna tell him that he got more than everything he prayed for. And if I walked with the man that I'll become, I'd want him to be proud of all we've done. There's only two opinions that matter most to me, and that's me, and 7 and 70. I tried being who everybody else wanted me to be, but now there's only two opinions that matter most to me. Cause if I could talk to a younger me, I'd wanna be the man that he wants to be. I'd wanna tell him that he got more than everything he prayed for. And if I walk with the man that I'll become, I want him to be proud of all we've done. There's only two opinions that matter most to me, and that's me, and 7 and 70.
Let's learn 7 and 70. It's choreographed by Cody Flowers. It is a 32 count 2+2 wall intermediate level line dance with 3 tags on the ends of walls 2, 4, and 6. Those tags will rotate where your start walls are for each 2-wall dance. What that means is we will start facing 12 and 6. On our first and third tag, you will change from a 12 to 6 to a 3 to 9, and our second tag will put us back to a 12 and 6. I'm going to turn around and break down this dance section by section using steps and counts. We're then going to practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag and practice it, and then we're going to go around and we're going to do all 3 tags and the wall after, so you know where the wall changes happen, so you can dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn 7 and 70. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your right foot. When we're dancing this is going to be your prep to start the dance all over again. So we're going to step forward with our left foot. We're going to end up doing a chase half turn. So we're going to step forward with our left, make a half turn over your right shoulder, bringing that right foot slightly into your left, and then stepping forward with that left foot. We're now at 6 o'clock. This step forward with your left foot is a prep to do a full turn. So over our left shoulder, we're going to make a half turn, stepping back with our right. Over your left shoulder, you're going to make a half turn, stepping forward with your left, and you're going to step forward with your right foot. From here, we're going to make a half pivot over our left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot, and sweep your right from back to front. We're now going to do a serpentine weave. So we're gonna cross that right over our left, step your left foot to the side, step your right foot behind, and sweep your left from front to back. Now we're gonna step our left foot behind our right, and we're gonna make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with our right foot to face 3 o'clock. Let's try that part with some counts. Weights on your right foot, chase half turn. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. Section 2, we're going to do a nightclub basic to the left. So do a nice big step to the left with your left foot. Rock your right foot back behind your left foot. Recover onto that left foot. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with our right foot. You're at 12. You're going to make another quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side. And you're going to cross your right over your left as you hitch your left knee from back to front. And now we're going to cross rock our left over our right. Recover onto your right foot as you hitch your left knee from front to back. We're now going to weave left behind, right side, left cross. And we're going to make an eighth of a turn, doing a slight little ball step with our right foot into the 730 diagonal step. So now your body will be facing that back corner. Let's try that part with some counts. We finished section 1 with our weight on our right foot facing 3 o'clock. Nightclub to the left. 1, 2, and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 and. Section 3, we're going to walk into the 730 diagonal. So most of this section you will be facing that back corner. We're going to step left, step right. Now we're going to do a mamba with a sweep with our left foot still facing 730. So you're going to step that left foot forward, recover back onto your right foot, and as you step your left foot back, you're going to sweep your right foot from front to back. That sweep is going to put you into an eighth of a turning coaster. So we're going to step our right foot back, still facing 730, left foot next to right, and you're going to make an eighth of a turn, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. To end this section, we're going to do a half quarter pivot. So we're going to step forward with our left foot, make a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 3 o'clock. So let's try that part with some counts. We just did our ball step for and. Your weight's on your right foot. You're facing 730. Your walk forward. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and. Section 4, we're going to rock our right foot back behind our left, recover onto your left foot, step your right foot to the right side. You're now going to rock your left foot back and you're going to recover. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot. You're going to make another quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right. We're now going to make a quarter chase turn. So you're going to step your right foot to the side, bring your left foot into your right, making that quarter turn, and step your right foot forward. This is going to be a prep to start the dance all over again. So let's try that part with some counts. We just did our quarter pivot. Your weight is on your left foot. We are facing 3 o'clock, rock back. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. To end facing 12 o'clock to start the dance all over again. Now let's go all the way through. We're going to do it one time with steps, one time with counts, and then we'll talk about our tags and all those wall changes. Weights on your right foot, you're facing 12 o'clock. Step half, chase half step, half step, half pivot with a sweep, cross side behind sweep, behind quarter side nightclub, rock and quarter cross hitch, cross rock, recover hitch, behind side cross, ball diagonal walk, walk, mamba with a sweep, a turn, coaster step, step, half, quarter, rock back, rock, recover, side or rock, recover, quarter, quarter, cross, chase, quarter, prep. Ready to start all over again. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your right foot, step half. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag is the same for all 3 of them. It is 4 counts and you're just doing a pair of chase turns. One's going to make a half and one's going to make a quarter. So our first one happens at the end of wall 2, so we will be facing 12 o'clock. You're going to end with your step forward. We're going to do it like we would be starting the dance all over again with our chase half turn. So we're going to step left forward, half turn, step forward with the left. We're now going to repeat that but make a quarter turn. So you're going to step forward with your right foot, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now at 3 o'clock. Step forward with that right foot, ready to start the dance all over again. This will cause you from being a front and back to a side-to-side 2-wall dance. When we dance the next tag, it will put us back onto our front and back wall, and the third one will put us back on the sides. So let's try that tag with some counts. Chase half turn. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now you would start the dance all over again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5. And that will cause you to switch walls, and you'll be dancing to the 3 and 9. So now, let's go all the way around. That tag is going to happen at the same point, right? So we will dance wall 1, wall 2, when we come back here. You will do your tag, which will put you to 3 o'clock. Then you're going to dance wall 4, wall 3, and then wall 4 will put you back here. You will do that tag again. So let's practice that tag on this wall. Weights on your right foot, chase half turn. Step, half, step, step, quarter, prep. Now you will restart the dance facing that back wall, doing a 12 and 6 2-wall dance. Our third and final restart will be facing this wall. We will dance our 5 o'clock wall and our 6 o'clock wall, which will put us here, not our 5 o'clock wall. Our last and final tag will happen facing the back wall. You will dance your 5th wall and your 6th wall to face here, and you're going to do that tag again. So let's practice that on the back wall. Your chase half turn, chase half turn, chase quarter forward. And now you're going to be doing a 2-wall dance again all the way through to the end of the dance. So now let's go all the way around. On the front and back walls, we're going to do steps. And when we switch to the sides, we'll do counts. And I will call out the tags that happen on the walls. So weight is on your right foot, starting with our chase half turn to face 6 o'clock. 5, 6, 7, 8. Chase half step, half step, half sweep, cross side behind sweep, behind quarter nightclub, rock and quarter, cross and hitch, cross rock, recover back hitch, behind side, cross ball diagonal walk, walk, mamba with a sweep, a turning coaster step, step, half, quarter, rock back side, rock back, quarter, cross, chase quarter step, chase half turn, half step, half sweep, cross, side behind sweep, behind quarter nightclub, rock and quarter, quarter cross hitch, cross rock, recover back hitch, behind side cross, ball diagonal walk, walk, mamba with a sweep, eighth coaster step, step, half quarter rock back side, rock back quarter, quarter cross, chase quarter turn. Now we're going to add our tag. Chase half turn, chase quarter turn. Now we're going to dance 3 and 9. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Start over. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now you're going to do your tag. Chase half step, chase quarter turn. Now we're starting over. Chase half step, half step, half turn sweep, cross side behind sweep, behind quarter nightclub, rock and quarter, quarter cross hitch, cross rock, recover back hitch, behind side, cross bar diagonal walk, walk, mamba with a sweep, eighth coaster step, step, half quarter rock back side, rock back quarter, quarter cross, chase quarter turn, chase half step, half step, half turn sweep, cross side behind sweep, behind quarter side nightclub, rock and quarter, quarter cross hitch, cross rock, recover back hitch, behind side, cross ball walk, walk, mamba with a sweep, coaster eighth, step, half quarter, rock back side, rock back quarter, quarter cross, chase quarter prep. We're now going to do our last tag. Chase half turn, chase quarter turn. Now we're going to dance our last wall that we're going to do facing 9 o'clock. After this, you will dance to the 9 and 3 o'clock for the rest of the dance until you end. So chase half turn, half step, half pivot sweep, cross side behind sweep, behind quarter 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And then you would keep dancing all the way through. The step sheet does not have an ending listed. However, for me it ends with our cross side behind sweep, behind into our ball step. So instead of doing a ball eighth, I just do a ball half to face the front wall. But you can do whatever feels good for you. If you would like to dance to the front, you can. If not, you can just dance the dance through and end wherever the music ends. I hope this helps you learn 7 and 70. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.